Why the size of your laundry basket will make or break your level of happiness at home. Hear me out. In the 24 years that I have been coaching people and helping people to simplify and declutter their lives, not just their physical lives, but all the other stuff too, the one thing that people that feel so overwhelmed have in common with each other is they use the giant laundry baskets, the ones that are about hip height. Or if you're not short like me, they come up to about your thigh. These giant laundry baskets can hold anywhere between 2 to 4 loads of laundry, depending on how deeply and how compactly you shove the clothes in them. What happens when you wait until these are full? You have 4 loads or up to 4 loads that you have to wash, dry, and then put away. So this is what I recommend instead. Get rid of every single extra large laundry basket that you have and opt for smaller ones. Every person in your home should have their own small laundry basket. When that small laundry basket is full, that equals 1 regular size load. When that person is of age and is able to do their own laundry, my kids started at about the age of about 9 or 10. When they are that age that they can follow instructions and can reach the dials and whatnot, you may need to give them a step stool, but they can do their own laundry. We have a thing now called the color catcher, which is awesome and can help you prevent those bleeding loads. Also, having every family member do their own laundry reduces that burden on you. It reduces that thing from your to-do list and also helps young children gain more independence because they now know, I know how to do my own laundry. That might not seem like a really big deal until your 20-year-old stepdaughter calls you, not her parents, but you, and says, how do you do the laundry? I don't know how. My parents never taught me. So this is a life skill that is huge. So to reiterate, get rid of the giant laundry baskets and have everyone in the home have their very own small laundry basket. The full laundry basket, the small one, equals 1 load that they themselves can wash, dry, and then put away themselves. I hope this helps to clear the overwhelm from your daily clutter. Like and follow for more.